Okay, I know that some of you may feel that it's not easy to write, especially when you're given this type of question. So, what I want you to do is before you start to work, think of the information that you want to write in your email. In this case, about this renewable energy. Before, in an exam, for example, you can't Google up, you have to write it as what you know. My suggestion is that you have to read the question carefully. What is actually needed in that question? And it's advisable for you to underline the key points. For Form 3, it's okay for you to underline. But when you are in Form 5, because when you are sitting for your SPM, you are not allowed to do any markings. Because your paper will be collected when you are in Form 5. The same goes when you are in Form 3. It's just that in Form 3, your teachers will be marking your paper. And then decide what information that you're going to write in each paragraph. So let's say, when my students, they ask me, how many paragraphs should I write? Well, it doesn't really matter how many paragraphs. It's just that a rule of thumb is that if you have more than 2 sentences, then it will be more than 1 paragraph. If let's say you have many sentences in a paragraph, you have more than 5, I would suggest that you break up those 5 sentences into 3 or 3-2. A paragraph should be made up of more than 1 sentence. Okay. And then also check if you have included all the points needed. Okay, for this point, it's about renewable energy. And make sure that it is in the logical order. If let's say the question is about something in which you need to put it in a logical order. Okay, there are also several useful expressions that you can use when you are writing. For example, for an email, when you start off, you can just say hi. Okay, normally in those days, we would like to write like this. Hi, how are you? I hope that you are in the pink. Okay, nowadays, for emails, it's just, it will be